Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, we will make a smoothie. So we have some ingredients here: strawberry, yogurt, banana, and fresh milk. Yes. Yes guys, welcome back to my channel, Atlantis World. Now guys, I'll be making a smoothie. So guys, we have some ingredients here. I have 5 pieces of strawberry and 2 bananas, 1 cup of fresh milk, any kind of fresh milk, strawberry yogurt, any kind of yogurt that you put on your smoothie. So guys, you just start na tayo sa paggawa ng ating smoothie. So first thing you do, you just put this one, strawberry, put the banana, 2 bananas, and just strawberry. No, strawberry yogurt. Yes, strawberry yogurt. And also put a cup of milk. So easy guys. Kaysa naman yung pupunta pa tayo sa labas, mag-queue up doon at bibili ng smoothie na napakamahal. So you make your own smoothie. Marami naman mga prutas, diba? Sa Pilipinas, meron tayong mga avocado, kahit anong mga prutas na ilalagay natin. What I mean, yung mas maganda yung gagawin natin yung avocado, strawberry, mango, banana, or something you make it shake. Kung hindi din kayo makakagawa ng smoothie, you make it shake like melon or what's that? Yeah. Yes, yeah. So guys, umpisa na natin sa paggawa ng ating smoothie. Yeah. Nailagay na natin lahat yung ating mga ingredients. So, let's start it. Start it. Can put a small amount of ice. Now, it's done. Nalagay na place na natin sa ating baso. You see guys? It's so yum. It's natural. Yeah. Yes guys. Yan na. Tapos na. So guys, it's so easy to make it this smoothie in our own. And they make it smoothie in our house. So guys, ito na. So thank you guys for watching. At may na-share na naman ako sa inyo ng isang tips about to make it this smoothie. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and then don't forget to push the bell button so that makapag-update pa kayo ng mga video na aking i-upload. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Bye. Mmm.